SkooTour. So I had to fix my Motocompacto. I had the Rattle. It was this screw right here. It was rolling around in here. The case is pretty easy to pop off. This was the hardest section. They're basically tabs. So what you want to do is start on the wheel lock side and then push the bottom in as you're prying off the top. And yeah, it comes right off. I did one better, and I wasn't happy with the Rattle even before the screw fell out. I came to the conclusion that this area right here was metal on metal, so I put an abrasion resistant piece of rubber, and now it doesn't rattle. This is locked. I don't want to peel it off to show you, obviously, but it basically made that kind of noise even when it was locked. So I basically got rid of that gap, and now it doesn't sound as bad metal on metal. And when it is locked, it still sounds the same because I didn't lock it fully. Should probably do that. And then, yeah, as you can see, it's not as bad. There's still some sort of screw, but you know, you can't fix it all. Other than that, I've been happy with it. Hope this helps you find. The main culprit for the Rattle was that screw. Why it came out, I do not know. Everything else seems to be secure. Put a little thread lock on it, so hopefully that's not an issue anymore. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.